The chair now recognizes Samoa to take the floor now.
Amalo atu le nei vaenga o le fiafi. Natu a vela le fala. Ia o lo maupel to vael tatu whainga malanga. Lau fionga in minsta langolango. Palo ma vaenga. Ia maise lau ftelainga mo whanua. Lau ftelainga seu ma lau fionga ina noa. Ia tapu ai maia. Samoa ma lau whaafonga mai o la whael tatu upu. Mr. Chairperson, Honorable Minister of Horticulture of Sri Lanka, Your Excellency FAO Assistant, Excellency Conference Secretarial, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, and now good evening. Talofa lava and greetings from Samoa. I am honored to address this esteemed assembly today on behalf of our government and our people of Samoa, a nation deeply committed to the sustainable development of our agriculture and fishery sector, not only for prosperity of our own people, but also for the well-being of the entire Pacific region. I would like to express my appreciation for the organizers of this conference, the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, and the host country, the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, the significant and bearing of this conference on food system transformation for Samoa and other Pacific Island countries and our Asia-Pacific region cannot be overemphasized. Excellency, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here to discuss and share the pressing issue facing our region, it is evident that challenges posed by the climate change, environmental degradations, and food insecurity required urgent and serious action. In this regard, Samoa reaffirmed its unwavering commitment to prioritize the development of agriculture and fisheries as key pillars of our food system transformation as outlined in our National Region Development Strategy. The Samoa Food System Pathway 2030 identify 14 pathway actions to transform our food system for resilient, healthy Samoa. Moreover, Samoa 5 Years National Development Plan, called the Pathway of Development of Samoa 22-26, and our Agriculture and Fishery Sector Plan 2022-2026, highlighted the importance of vibrant, sustainable agriculture, fishery, and aquaculture sector, which will create employment, improve in our food nutrition security, and reduce our reliance on food imports. Agriculture and fishery are not only vital resources for livelihood for a significant portion for our population, are also crucial components for our cultural heritage and identity. They sustain our communities, provide food security, and contribute significantly to our economic development. Therefore, investing to the sustainable development is just a matter of economic necessity, but also to moral imperative. Excellency, in the light of unique challenges facing our region, including increasing frequent of severe natural disaster, climate change, and vulnerability of small island state extent shocks, it is imperative that we adopt a holistic approach to agriculture and fishery development. This approach must encompass members with enforced resilience, promote innovations, and ensure equitable access to resources and markets. Samoa recognized the importance of the international cooperation and partnership, its achieving objective. We stand ready to cooperate with our fellow Pacific Island nation, regional organization, and international community to harness the full potential of our agriculture and fishery sector to benefit us all. Let us use this opportunity to reaffirm our collective commitment to the sustainable development of our agri-food system in Samoa and the Pacific region by working together with determination, solidarity, and vision so that we can build together a future for all of us and everyone living in this world. Our ecosystem flourished and regionally emerged strong and more resilient than ever before. Excellency, Samoa would like to acknowledge with great appreciation ongoing financial and technical support of FAO through its FAO Sub-Region Office of the Pacific, UN Regional Coordinator Office in Apia, and all other UN agency and development partners who have assisted us bilaterally, regionally, and internationally. I also would like to remind our gathering here today that the time of talking is over. This is action time. Let us be proactive, excessive in transforming of our food agriculture system to its service to bring out real challenge and real change to the lives of our Asia-Pacific people, of whom conference it's all about today. Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of urgent work to do in the next few months, but the work is so crucial in our effort to move forward as a Pacific Island community family. Samoa is committed in working collaborations with all the partners for transformation of our actions to our agri-food system. So for Manuia, thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Samoa.